Are you tired of waking up to an alarm clock, stuck in a job that drains your energy and steals your time? What if I told you there's another way, a path to freedom, purpose, and control over your life? This is how I escaped the 9-to-5 grind, and how you can too. The wake-up call. I was stuck in traffic, late again, sipping bitter coffee in a rush and questioning, is this it? Every day felt like a copy of the last. Work, eat, sleep, repeat. The realization hit me, I wasn't living, I was just surviving. A shift in mindset. Instead of asking, how do I earn more? I asked, how can I buy my time back? That changed everything. I read books, listened to podcasts, and consumed every story of people who broke free. Freedom didn't start with money, it started with clarity. Building my exit strategy. I didn't quit overnight. I created a plan, cut down unnecessary expenses, learned new digital skills, started freelancing evenings and weekends. Each hour I worked on myself was an investment in my future. Taking the leap. Eventually, I replaced half my income. Was it scary? Absolutely. But the fear of regret was worse. The day I handed in my resignation was the day I truly felt alive. I wasn't running from a job. I was running toward freedom. What freedom feels like? I now set my own schedule. I work from anywhere. I choose my projects and earn more doing what I love. Freedom isn't a fantasy. It's a process. And the best part? You can start today. Dealing with doubts and setbacks. Not every day was easy. There were moments I questioned everything. When clients ghosted, income dipped, and imposter syndrome crept in. But I reminded myself, growth always comes with discomfort. Each setback taught me resilience and brought me closer to independence. Designing my ideal day. Now, I start my mornings with peace, not panic. I work during my most productive hours, take breaks when I want, and spend time with people who matter. This isn't just about money, it's about alignment. Work finally supports my life instead of stealing it. If you're dreaming of escaping the 9-to-5, don't wait for permission. Start small, stay consistent. Your freedom story is waiting to be written, and you're holding the pen. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear this today, because life is too short to stay stuck.